Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers, and tonight I'm coming at you with a 3-box 2013 NFL Mixer. Going to start off with 2013 Finest, followed by 2013 Supreme, followed by 2013 Museum Football. Alright guys, all names have been entered into random.org, and I'm going to randomize it 6 times, so everyone, good luck to you. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, let's see who we have. See, Brian's on top, and Chris, you got the last 3 spots. So the Bucks, the Titans, and the Redskins, buddy. Wait, Justin, Shoei said blessed. He didn't say holy. Alright, Arizona Cardinals, Brian. Atlanta Falcons, Brad. Baltimore Ravens, Chris. Buffalo Bills, Justin. Carolina Panthers, Shoei. The Bears going to Chris. The Bengals going to Chris C. The Browns, Melina. The Cowboys, Chris C. The Denver Broncos, Chris C. The Detroit Lions, Jessica. The Packers, Shoei. The Texans, Shoei. The Colts, Justin. The Jaguars, Shoei. The Chiefs, Chris C. The Dolphins, Chris C. The Vikings, Brad, the Vikings. How much better can you get, brother? I got your team. The Patriots, Chris C. The Saints, Shoei. The Giants, Jessica. There you go for your husband, Ryan Nassib. The Jets, Chris C. The Raiders, Melina. The Eagles, Chris C. The Steelers, Patrick M. The Chargers, Brian. The 49ers, Shoei. The Seahawks, Chris. There you go, buddy. Got your team. The Rams, Patrick. The Bucks, the Titans, and the Redskins all going to Chris. Alright, there you have it, guys. Don't forget to check us out at www.thecasebreakers.com and follow us on Twitter at TheCaseBreakers. Boom, baby!